Alright, good morning again. I'm inside room 117. This is the lab room where we'll hopefully be this summer, where lots of classes take place. This is where we're making soil mix today. Again, check this video out and then compare it with Curtis Stone, the readings that you did earlier for class, and then use that as part of the homework assignment to compare the two. Unfortunately, I'm here alone and I'm not a great camera person, so I'm just going to explain the process. So we start with a base mix that is certified organic. It's 2 cubic feet. It comes locally from Portland. You can see here on the label, it's got a little bit of NPK and some calcium in there, right? It's a combination of bark, peat moss, coir, pumice perlite. All right, so it's got water holding capacity, it's got drainage, and a little bit of nutrition. So 2 cubic feet fills this 5-gallon bucket about 3 times, and 2 bags fills this garbage can up. So that's about 6 buckets worth, 30 gallons, and then we add these supplemental nutrients to it for continuing to grow well in the greenhouse and getting a nice little start once they're transplanted out. We're using a combination of fish bone meal, you can see that one's high in phosphorus, worm castings, a little bit of everything, it's like compost, feather meal for nitrogen, alfalfa meal for balanced N and potassium. This is azomite for micronutrients, and a scoop of Myco Apply, that's mycorrhizae to aid the roots in forming relationships with these microorganisms that will then help to take in the nutrients in exchange for carbohydrates and water. So you can see here 1 scoop or 3 buckets of media for each one of these. So the scoops are all measured out, the line on the side. So for the full garbage can, you're adding 2 scoops then to the line because it's 2 bags worth, or 6 buckets. And so we add about 1 bag worth, half of the nutrients, mix, and then we add the other bag, half of the nutrients, and mix again, and then we add some water, mix it together, and this is what we're looking at. And then you can see when we're complete, we make sure that we're labeled correctly. This is the Organic Farm seeding mix, organic two-full soil with amendments. So that's what we're working with here. It gives us a nice boost, especially early in the season with all the added nutrients, and everything in there is allowable in organic production and OMRI certified.